Welcome to the Team Member Manager. Here, you can invite other users to collaborate with you on this Mazlo account. First, set up the permissions for custom roles to restrict what other users have access to as team members. To begin, select Invite Member and select the role you want to configure. Choose each permission you wish to allow access to for this role. Only select what a user with this role needs access to and leave the rest unselected. With their role configured, enter the email address of the new team member invited to join your Mazlo account. Choose which services the new team member has access to. Click Send Invite to send an email invitation prompting each team member to activate their account to collaborate with you on Mazlo. Discover more tips by visiting the Provider Support Hub at mazloapp.com/help.